Hello everyone, Matthew here. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade a computer. In this video, I'll be upgrading it to macOS Mojave. I'm on El Capitan, but I'm going to upgrade it to Mojave. So we're going to start by going into the Chrome tab right here. Push allow. And then I'm going to type in how to download macOS. Push enter. You're going to see something right here, how to download macOS, Apple support. And go all the way down here and you can see all these upgrades. I'm doing Mojave, but if you want to do something else, here's the list right here. I'm going to go to Mojave, push open App Store, push download. So it's going to be kind of quick. Once it's done, just push continue once they're loaded up. And here's the license. Push agree again. It's going to install it on the disk. Push the disk and push install. So it's going to take about 12 minutes, or about 15, but I don't know. It's what the computer says. And now, as you can see here, I am done installing macOS Mojave, and now I hope you know how to install these type of operating systems. Matthew out.